Hi, I'm AJ. I'm a deployed engineer at Graphite, and today we're going to walk you through what it looks like to review a PR in Graphite, as well as a high-level overview of some of our AI features, AI Reviewer, and Graphite Chat, and how they're improving the code review process. So what you're seeing here is the Graphite PR page. We've recently redesigned the page from the ground up, so I'll go ahead and explain some key features here. Our PR page is natively stack-aware, so if you're familiar with stacked PRs where one branches off the other, I can easily go in between all the branches and review each PR independently. And if you want a more realistic example, this is a PR that was actually merged into Graphite. And you can see here with a large stack, we're able to very easily go between them. And it even shows you some of the PRs that ended up not making it to the final version and that they were closed. Moving on to the description, we have the ability to edit in rich text, markdown, as well as generate using AI. And then on the right side here, we have the PR status. So on a lower branch, we're seeing that all CI and approval requirements have been met, versus on this PR, CI is failing. So we're able to give you the state of the PR right up front and center. This will vary whether you're a reviewer or an author. We'll see here that our AI reviewer has left some comments, which we'll cover in a minute. One thing that I really like about the Graphite PR page is we're able to summarize failing CI for you. So you don't need to dig through the logs and find the exact red text with the failure. We're able to take that input and tell you what is going on right in the PR page. And you can see in this case here, we have a port set to 3000, but we have a port check that requires it to be 8000. And then on the remainder here is a lot of the standard things you would expect, like reviewers, labels, assignees, and task tracking to linear. If I scroll down, the code is right up front and center. It's unobstructed. It's not hiding behind any tab. And the comments are also left to the side, giving you the ability to see what's most important, which is the code. Next, it looks like the AI reviewer has left some comments. We see our AI reviewer as being able to give you feedback instantly, as well as enforcing standards amongst your code base. It catches a variety of issues from security, logic, quality, and style. In this specific case, our AI reviewer is also CI aware, so is able to detect that there's a failing check with a port variable here. We have a set of custom rules where you can add things that you want the AI reviewer to catch, as well as our own metrics dashboard to evaluate the performance, but I'll save this for another video. The next feature on our PR page is Graphite Chat. You can think of Graphite Chat as a code review assistant built right into the PR page. Graphite Agent has the full context of your repo, the PR, comments, and description. It can help you better understand the PR as well as make code changes. Let's go through an example in which Graphite Chat is helpful. In this example here, we have a regex in which we're evaluating a GitHub URL. You can see here that it gives us an example in which a malicious site could essentially pass this regular expression and allows us to commit the suggestion in line. Let's say I don't fully understand this comment and I want to make sure that I understand it before I accept the suggestion. I can really easily click Add to Chat, and this context would get added to Graphite Chat, and then I can ask more questions such as, what type of security vulnerability is this, and can you link me any documentation? Here you can see that it's an open redirect vulnerability, and then it also gives us some documentation to OWASP so I can dig a little bit deeper if I want to. Another use case is if I want to understand lines of code, I can very easily select a group of code and then click Add to Chat, and that context will get added as well. So we see Graphite Chat as reducing the cognitive load of review by having an LLM assistant effectively help you break down both the comments and the code itself. Going back to our example here, we also have the ability to fix CI right in chat. So Graphite Chat can not only help you understand the PR, but it can also make code changes. I believe these two features work really well together, where the reviewer does a first pass and catches issues, where Graphite Chat increases PR understanding and reduces cognitive load of review. So that's about it. This is a high-level overview on what it looks like to review a PR in Graphite. As you can see, we have a range of features built to speed up and increase the quality of code review. In the age of code generation tools, we believe you need a code review platform just as powerful. And I'll dive a little bit deeper into the AI features later, but just wanted to give a high-level overview. Hope this is helpful. Thanks.